Ivy League researchers recently discovered that just like plaque gets stuck inside your arteries, a type of nerve plaque also gets stuck and surrounds your nerves. Technically, this plaque is triggered by something called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These are proteins or lipids that become glycated as a result of exposure to sugars. And as time goes on, more and more of this plaque builds up in your nerves, accumulating rapidly, stretching and expanding your nerves to their limits, until just like a balloon filled with too much air, your nerves burst open and they're now raw, exposed, and vulnerable, just like a frayed electrical wire. This short circuits the connection between your nerves and brain, and this triggers a type of static like what you see on your TV when the signal goes out. This static forces you to feel sensations that just aren't there, like the numbness, tingling, and burning that's been keeping you up all night. And if left unchecked, these plaques will continue to grow inside your body, destroying more nerve cells with each passing day, until eventually you'll be unable to stand for more than a few minutes. I'm sorry to say it, but there's more than a chance you will end up needing a walker, a cane, or a wheelchair just to get around. And ultimately, these bursts can cause the complete death of a limb. And you may become one of the 200,000 Americans who undergo an amputation every single year. Dr. Baker said he'd examined countless scientific documents, and he realized that these Harvard-trained researchers were right, that nerve plaque triggers neuropathy. Now, all of this made me wonder the same thing you're probably wondering right now. What causes the plaque in the first place? And more importantly, how do you get rid of it? But can you even get rid of it? That's exactly the most surprising part of all. Because Dr. Baker told me these plaques don't form because of your age or even because you're consuming too much sugar. No. These plaques infest your nerves for one reason: exposure to tens of thousands of toxins every single day. Toxins in your air, your drinking water, your soaps, shampoos, and personal care products, the industrial chemicals in our homes and environment, the tens of thousands of processed foods that are filled with soybean oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, and other so-called healthy seed oils that are all linked to neuropathy. Given how prevalent toxins and processed foods are in our modern world, if you're a man or woman over 40 and you feel any numbness, pins and needles, or burning in your legs, feet, or arms, unfortunately, I can pretty much guarantee that plaques are clogging up and squeezing your nerves. It's not your fault, but now that you're armed with this knowledge, it is your responsibility to fix it. And I'll show you how to do that right now. A study conducted by the prestigious Mount Sinai School of Medicine in New York shows Corydalis Yanhusuo sweeps through your nervous system and eliminates nerve plaques faster than anything else on the planet. That's because Corydalis Yanhusuo acts like a bodyguard for your nerves. It keeps toxins and pollutants from infesting your body. It also allows your system to naturally clear out the plaque, which will eliminate the burning, numbness, and itching. Shockingly, in one study conducted on mice, scientists discovered that Corydalis Yanhusuo can literally bring a limb that seemed dead back to life. And while that might be in mice, the next study done in humans shook the medical establishment to their core, because patients taking Corydalis Yanhusuo reported a whopping 27.6 improvement in overall nerve pain and nerve function. That now a 27.6% improvement might not seem like a huge number to you, but believe me, it means all the difference between you enjoying a fun, active retirement or spending your golden years in a wheelchair. Corydalis Yanhusuo is the real deal. Yet, as powerful as Corydalis Yanhusuo is for clearing out those plaques, when you combine it with two more clinically studied ingredients, the relief you feel will be even better and come even faster. Because while stopping these toxins and plaques from building up inside you is super important, you'll also need something to quickly stop the pain and help accelerate your nerve repair so that pain never comes back. Opuntia fiacanthia. Opuntia fiacanthia is a species of prickly pear cactus, and explosive new studies have found the nutrients contained within it kill nerve pain better than anything else out there. You see, the nerve cells in your body that detect pain are called nociceptors, and these receptors activate when you feel the burning, tingling, and itching. And that's where the miracle nutrient comes into play. A top study conducted by expert neurologists found Opuntia ficus blocks the channel that sends pain signals to your brain. If your nerves send a false signal that you are feeling pain, Opuntia ficus tells your brain to ignore that fake signal. So you don't feel a darn thing. No more burning, no more tingling, no more feeling like you're walking on hot coals. Just blessed relief. And in a groundbreaking study of 181 patients done by leading neuropathy expert Dr. Dan Ziegler, he was astounded when he saw that Opuntia ficus can slash nerve pain by up to 52%. In other words, it can cut it by more than half, and in just a matter of days. This is amazing, right? You see, if you want a full recovery, you must repair the intense damage that's already done to your nerves. And while Corydalis Yanhusuo helps remove the plaques and Opuntia ficus helps kickstart the nerve repair process, in order to get the most out of these two nutrients and rejuvenate your nerves as fast as possible, you will also need a truly special nutrient called marshmallow root. You see, Nobel Prize-winning research conducted by Dr. Rita Leigh-Montalcini found that nerve growth factor, or NGF, is a hormone that is essential for the survival, repair, and regeneration of your nerves. And as it turns out, shocking new studies reveal that marshmallow root can indeed help boost your levels of NGF, which also helps regenerate and repair your nerves. And the proof is in the pudding. In an analysis of 2 double-blind placebo-controlled trials of 1,257 men and women with nerve issues, patients taking marshmallow root showed clinically significant improvements in all their neuropathy symptoms. Amazing, right? Still, at the end of the day, it's really not about the clinical studies, the Nobel Prize-winning research, or even about these miracle nutrients themselves. It's all about you doing all the activities you love without pain. Well, that's exactly the peace of mind these nutrients will give you.